Linux Distro Evolution, from 2020 to 2025. First introduction. The world of Linux has undergone a remarkable transformation over the past 5 years. From the rise of specialized distributions to advancements driven by cloud computing, Linux continues to evolve, catering to a growing user base and diverse needs. In this video, we'll explore the significant milestones that have shaped Linux from 2020 to 2025, showcasing its journey and speculating on what lies ahead. The rise of the niche, specialized distros. Over the past few years, we've witnessed a surge in specialized Linux distributions tailored for specific use cases. Distros like Pop! OS have emerged as a favorite for gamers, thanks to features like built-in support for NVIDIA GPUs and seamless Steam integration. Similarly, Fedora Silverblue has gained popularity for developers, offering an immutable base system ideal for containerized workflows. Manjaro, on the other hand, continues to win hearts with its beginner-friendly approach to Arch Linux, while catering to power users with its wide array of customizations. These specialized distros represent the growing trend of Linux, adapting to unique user requirements, delivering optimized experiences and tailored features. This shift has made Linux more accessible and appealing to users from all walks of life, be it gaming, software development, or cybersecurity. The cloud's influence. The rise of cloud computing has profoundly impacted the Linux ecosystem. Over 90% of cloud infrastructure today relies on Linux, highlighting its dominance in the field. Distributions like Ubuntu Server, CentOS, and Debian have been pivotal in cloud deployments, providing stability, scalability, and extensive support for cloud-native technologies. The emergence of containerized environments, led by tools like Docker and Kubernetes, has further solidified Linux's role in the cloud era. These tools thrive on Linux's adaptability and performance, enabling seamless deployment of applications across diverse environments. As cloud computing continues to evolve, so too does Linux, ensuring it remains a cornerstone of modern infrastructure. The desktop's revival. While Linux's strength in servers and the cloud is undeniable, the desktop experience has seen a significant revival. Over the past 5 years, desktop distros have focused on delivering user-friendly interfaces and intuitive experiences. GNOME Shell and KDE Plasma have been at the forefront of this transformation, offering modern aesthetics and enhanced usability. Distributions like Zorin OS and Linux Mint have played a crucial role in making Linux more accessible to everyday users. Their polished interfaces, pre-installed productivity tools, and seamless out-of-the-box experience have lowered the barrier for new users. This renewed focus on the desktop has helped Linux gain traction among those looking for a viable alternative to proprietary operating systems. Open source collaboration and innovation. A defining characteristic of Linux has always been its open source nature and collaborative development. From 2020 to 2025, the role of communities in shaping the Linux ecosystem has only grown stronger. Projects like Fedora, Arch Linux, and Debian are testaments to the power of collective effort, where developers and users contribute ideas, code, and feedback. This collaborative spirit has driven rapid innovation, with features like fractional scaling for high DPI displays, enhanced Wayland support, and better hardware compatibility becoming standard across many distributions. Active communities have ensured that Linux remains a platform of constant improvement and adaptability, catering to both cutting-edge developers and casual users. The future of Linux distros. A glimpse. Looking ahead, the future of Linux distributions is filled with exciting possibilities. AI-powered customization could revolutionize user experiences by offering personalized system configurations. Security advancements will likely become a key focus, with distros incorporating more robust measures to combat evolving cyber threats. Additionally, the rise of edge computing is expected to drive the development of lightweight and efficient Linux distributions tailored for IoT and edge devices. However, challenges remain. Ensuring compatibility across diverse hardware, addressing fragmentation, and maintaining usability for non-technical users are hurdles the Linux community must tackle. Despite these challenges, Linux's adaptability and community-driven nature ensure its enduring relevance in the tech world. Conclusion: from specialized distributions to advancements in cloud and desktop environments, Linux has come a long way in the past 5 years. Its evolution is a testament to the dedication of its developers and the passion of its user communities. As we look to the future, Linux stands as a beacon of open-source innovation, ready to adapt to new challenges and opportunities.